The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Man, so SoFi just made a new low, guys. I thought it wasn't going to go below $5, but it looks like we're back in the $4 range, and this is definitely not going to be the bottom. I'm going to show you guys the reasons why. So looks like SoFi was range bound for several months. Finally, we're seeing the breakout occur on the bottom side. So it looks like there's support at the $5.22 level, resistance right around this $8 level. Had a breakout on the top side, expecting a breakout on the bottom side. So we could see a little pullback occur, but still looking for a lower price target. I'll show you the reason why. Now let's take a look at the overall pattern. So let's zoom out on the chart. Again, these are very important. So the overall pattern was a spike in channel. So we had a spike down. And if you guys are not sure about the terminology, I explain all this in my course. So we had a spike in channel down. Then we had a breakout side of the channel. Let me go and make this orange. So this is the break right over here in the form of two legs. So we had pretty much a perfect two legs, very similar to Baba. Go look at my Baba video I did. Very similar pattern. Break of the channel, two legs up. This was pretty much a very good short opportunity right over here. You see that traders entered, and that's where the strong moves are happening, where you see professional traders are entering. And it doesn't happen randomly. Go look at where all the strong moves are happening, or the impulses, and you can find out the reasons why. You see that all the strong moves are happening right at the resistance zone, or support if you want to buy, but not random why these moves are occurring on the chart. Nothing to do with the news, nothing to do with SoFi being a bank or other stuff like that. Charter, I hear this nonsense every time. We had two legs up. That marks the end of the correction. We're going to go back down to retest the lows because it's the first break of the channel. We had a little micro downtrend channel in play right here. This is the micro downtrend channel. Let's go and make it yellow. So since we had the first break of this, we should also see a two-legged correction and then a retest of the low. So we had two legs up. I said this exactly in my prior video. We had two legs up. We stopped right at the two legs. These aren't two random drawn arrows, and it's very similar to the macro pattern. Let's go and clone this too. So look at that. You can see how we have a yellow channel, a break of it, and at the end of the second arrow we stop. Very similar on the micro scale. We have a break of the channel. At the end of the second arrow, we stop and we sold off. So technically, we already had two legs down, but it's not a perfect measure move down. So if we do get a perfect measure move, it will be this one right here. And the target for SoFi is right around the 360 level. So I believe there's a high probability of reaching that. Do we have to? No. But again, I don't think. Why would this stock bottom and this SPY just made a new low of his downtrend? And it definitely looks like it's going to be going lower in the future. So I don't know if this is going to be the bottom we are right now. And a bigger scale, it looks like a double bottom. I'll show you guys why on the weekly chart. But as of right now, still looking for that second leg down at the 360 level. Very bearish chart. We just barely made a new low, so it's not really like a new low. We just tested this previous low point, so look for low price targets. So been pretty much right on SoFi maybe 90% of the time. You guys can watch any of my prior videos. Very good at reading this stock right now, so I'm on fire, and can you continue give you guys these updates. It looks like it's going to be headed lower. Could see a pullback in the short term. That's expected. We just had a nice little impulse down, so the stock needs to breathe. I'm going to move the drawings. So we have this little micro channel in play right here, still inside of it. So even if we do get a break of this in the form of two legs, we can still see a retest of these lows. So still bearish on SoFi, looking for lower price targets. No news is going to turn around this price stock as of right now. So let's go and wrap it up on the weekly chart. And here we have SoFi Technologies. Most amateur technical analysis people will probably be saying we have a double bottom right here, and it is technically, yes, it is a double bottom because we have a low right here and a low point, but it's not really confirmed. We need to see a bounce from it. So this is not really something you want to trade. Just because we are at a low point of the downtrend doesn't mean we're gonna bounce from here and continue higher. Maybe we could go back to the highs of the range at the $8 level, but that's doubtful. It looks like we're gonna get those 2 legs down. I'm expecting that 360 level to be hit, and if we do that, that's about a 25% drop from where we are right now. So you can enter right now, or you could wait and probably get in a lower price level. Not financial advice, but that's what I'm seeing on the chart. Every time we came up to the EMA, we sold off. So still very bearish chart, and looking for lower price targets. Definitely don't want to be counter trend trading and going against the bias. Aggressive sellers are going to continue to drop this market until those targets are met. So that's all I have for SoFi Technologies, and I'll give you guys an update if I'm wrong or if I'm right again. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.